Hey everybody, it's Dr. McDowell. Just checking in for the week. I have a few announcements and then I'll have a short little video for you to watch as well. For the announcements, so I'm looking ahead for next week. We're reading the other book, Teaching in the Middle School, the Yellow Book. We're reading chapter 1 of that for next week, and then we're going to do a discussion board. I'm slightly changing how we're doing discussion boards. And I think you'll like this because it kind of cuts down on the amount of posting and reposting you have to do. So what I'm doing instead, if we look at the syllabus, look at the syllabus page on Canvas. Looks like this. I added a third link called Discussion Board Sign Up. You're going to want to click on that and it will take you to this site, and this is what we're going to do. Each week we're going to take a turn being the lead poster. So whoever signs up for chapter 1, I'll write down my name, but I'm not doing it, just to let you know. So I'll write down my name, and what that means is I would read chapter 1 and I would write a lead post. So I'm going to write the very first post for the discussion to get it to kick it off, right? And then that would be due August 31st. And then the rest of us would respond to that post, and we would all do that by September 4th. Okay, so one person's going to write one big discussion post to start us off. The rest of us are going to respond. I'm going to say at least twice. Okay, respond. I'm going to put that on here. Twice. Okay, so you're going to respond twice. So the idea, again, is to get a real dialogue going. Pretend we were meeting face to face. We would all be sitting in a circle. We would have a discussion over the chapter and what it means and what are some important themes. So I start with a question to guide the discussion. What are young adolescents really like? But we can evolve from that, right? We have other questions we can ask. Feel free to ask them and really get a conversation going. So that's why I want to see you responding to each other at least 2 or 3 times. So that might cut back on some of it might give us some more of a focus instead of everybody doing a post. So we're going to try that. This is first come, first serve for signing up. So I'd say as soon as you see this video, maybe even pause it right now and then click discussion board sign up and let it pop up and then sign your name. And another thing you'll notice is that chapter 4 is in here twice, chapter 6 is in here twice, chapter 7 is in here twice, because there are 10 of you and only 8 chapters. So we're going to have 2 discussion boards going. That means pretty much I'm dividing you in half. So 5 of you will respond to one person for chapter 4, 5 of you will respond to the other person for chapter 4. So consider it like a subgroup, okay? So that's the first announcement. Let me see if there's another one. No, I think that's it. So next week's kind of a lighter week. We're just doing one reading, one discussion. And then next week I'm gonna start unpacking the AMLE standards for you. I do have a little PowerPoint I want to go over. I'm going to make that a separate video so that way I can totally reuse it in future semesters. So stay tuned for that video.